a mushroom village. Each mushroom has a number and a color. Let's practice. First, we start with the number 1. There's 1 dot here, and this is the color green. Green in Spanish is verde. And look, that's the number 1. 1 in Spanish is uno. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Hey, it's a green hippopotamus. And look, he has the number 1 on his belly. Next is the number 2. This color is yellow. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. And that's the number 2. Let's count the dots. 1, 2. In Spanish, that's uno, dos. Let's see what animal is inside. Look, it looks like a tiger. Oh, look at that cute tiger. And he has a number 2 on his belly. Remember, 2 in Spanish is dos. Next is the number 3. 1, 2, 3 dots. This is the color khaki. It's kind of like green. Let's count these numbers in Spanish now. Uno, dos, tres. And that's the number 3. Tres in Spanish. Let's see what animal's inside. Hey, it's a lion. This lion doesn't look happy. What does a lion say? Right. And that's the number 3 on his belly. Next is the number 4. This is the color brown. In Spanish, brown is café. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the number 4. Are you ready to count them in Spanish now? Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. You're doing great. Let's see what animal's inside. It's a hedgehog. A brown hedgehog. And that's the number 4. Cuatro. Next is the number 5. This is the color gray. In Spanish, gray is gris. Let's count our numbers first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the number 5. Are you ready to count them in Spanish now? Count with me. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. Cinco in Spanish is 5. Let's see what animal is inside. Hey! Look at that koala peeking out. A koala is gray or gris. That's the number 5. Now we have the number 6. This color is pink. Pink in Spanish is rosado. Let's count the numbers in English first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the number 6. Are you ready to count them in Spanish now? Okay, let's do it together. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis. Do you remember what color this is in Spanish? Rosado, right. I wonder what animal is inside. Oh, look, it's a pink panda bear. And that's the number 6. Next, of course, is the number 7. This color is red. Red in Spanish is rojo. Okay, are you ready to count the dots with me? Let's do it first in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's the number 7. Now let's do it in Spanish. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete. You're doing great. I wonder what animal is inside. Oh, look, it's a red deer. And that's the number 7. Now we have the number 8. This color is blue. Blue in Spanish is azul. Let's count these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the number 8. Are you ready to count them in Spanish now? Let's do it together. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho. Ocho in Spanish is 8. Let's see what's inside. Oh look, it's an elephant. The elephant has an 8. Ocho. Now we have the number 9. This color is orange, but in Spanish it's anaranjado. That's a long word. Let's say it one more time together. Anaranjado. Let's count the dots together. First in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, are you ready to do it in Spanish now? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is the number 9. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, look, it's a cute giraffe. That giraffe is orange, and that's the number 9. Last but not least is the number 10. And this color is purple. In Spanish, purple is morado. Let's count the numbers in English first. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the number 10. Okay, are you ready to do it in Spanish? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in Spanish is 10. Let's check out what animal is hiding inside. Oh, look at that. It's a purple raccoon. And that's the number 10. Oh no, all of my animals have escaped from their mushroom house. Will you help me find the right animal that goes with the right house? Thanks. Why don't we start with this one? This is our hippo, and he's green. You remember that's the number 1 on his belly? 1 in Spanish was uno. Do you see a green house here? Yes, it's right here. Okay, let's see. Does it match? The number 1? And that's 1, yes. Okay, let's open him up and make sure he can go home. Yes, we did it. Why don't we see about the elephant? Do you remember the elephant is blue, and that's the number 8. 8 in Spanish was ocho. Do you see a blue house here? Yes, it's back here. Let's bring it up here, and does the number match? 8, 8. Blue, blue. Azul, azul. Azul was blue in Spanish. You're doing great. Let's make sure the elephant can go home. Yes, he fits. Why don't we see about the pink panda? Do you remember what number that is? It's the number 6. Do you see a pink mushroom house? Can you point to it? It's back here, right? Do you remember what pink is in Spanish? It's rosado. Rosado. That's the number 6. 6 in Spanish was seis. Look, they match. This is his home. Let's put the panda inside. It might be nap time for him. The number 6. How about the hedgehog? Do you remember the hedgehog was brown? And that's the number 4. You see a brown mushroom house? It's back here. Brown in Spanish was café. And the number 4 was cuatro. It matches. You found the right house. Here we go. Good night, hedgehog. Why don't we find the home for the giraffe? Do you remember the giraffe was orange? That was that really long word in Spanish? Anaranjado. And on his belly is the number 9, nueve. Do you see an orange mushroom house here? Yes, it's back here. Here we go. We got the right one. 9, 9. Anaranjado, nueve. Okay, it's time for the giraffe to go to sleep. Good night, giraffe. What about our lion? Remember that lion doesn't look happy. Maybe because it's nap time for him. That's the number 3, which was tres in Spanish. He was khaki. That was that different green color. Do you see a khaki mushroom here? Yeah, it's right here. And there's the number 3, tres. Good night, Mr. Lion. What about our purple raccoon? Do you remember what purple was in Spanish? Morado, right. And the number 10 was 10. Do you see a purple mushroom here? It's back here. And that was the number 10. Purple, morado, 10, 10. Good night, Mr. Raccoon. We've got a few animals left. Let's gather them together so we can find their home. How about the koala? Remember, the koala was gray. Gray in Spanish was gris. And that's the number 5. Do you remember how to say 5 in Spanish? Right, it's cinco. Hey, here's his house. Gray, gris. 5, cinco. Good night, koala. And our last 2 animals. Why don't we start with the tiger? That's the number 2, which is dos in Spanish. And the tiger was yellow. In Spanish, that's amarillo. Do you see the yellow house here? It's over here. Yellow, amarillo. 2, dos. Okay, good night, Mr. Tiger. And last but not least, we have our deer, number 7. The deer was red. Do you remember? That was rojo in Spanish. 7 was siete. Look, we found the right mushroom house. Siete, siete. Good night, Mr. Deer.